So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to set your phone on airplane mode. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the setting app available on your device. So let's open it. Now this is the inbox of your settings. Now you should have to tap on network and internet. Then you can simply see the option of airplane mode and you can see the bottom of enable on the right side of your screen. So tap on it. Now you have successfully enabled airplane mode, as you can simply see on the top right side of the screen. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.